Anyway, we're on our way back there to do the Freedom Trail. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angel, and thank you so much for hitting that play button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, okay? Edward and I are on our way back to Boston right now. We've been going back and forth from Albany to Boston for the past 3 years, and yeah, I feel like we're there every week or every other week. We just love Boston. There's so many things to do and see, and the food options, it's endless. It's our second home. I mean, we want to make it our home, but hopefully soon. Anyway, we're on our way back there to do the Freedom Trail. Actually, we've done the Freedom Trail so many times. We've done the trolley tour. We've also done, what else? The walking tour, and even the self-guided tour. And today we're doing the walking tour, but it's a different kind of walking tour. So it's called the Freedom Trail Foundation Public Walking Tours. So it's only $12. Yep, and it's for, I think, how many hours is this? 3 hours?
An hour and a half.
Oh, an hour and a half. And this ticket is valid for 6 months from the purchase date. So this is what we're gonna do today. And I love doing the tour, any kind of tour, hop on, hop off bus tour, or like this guided tour, because there's always something new to see and learn, especially from our tour guide. So allow us to take you on a journey through Boston's history. We'll see you there.
If you want to explore the city of Boston, you can either do the trolley tour, the dock tour, the harbor cruise. You can also conduct your own tour, aka the self-guided tour, or you can do it by foot, better known as the walking tour. And the best way to learn about Boston's history is through the Freedom Trail. You're probably wondering, what exactly is the Freedom Trail? Well, the Freedom Trail is a red brick line that passes through 16 locations significant to Boston's history. The tour starts at the Boston Common Visitor Information Center, which is located on Tremont Street.
Hey Edward, where are we at?
We're at Boston Common.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Boston Common, and we're waiting for the Freedom Trail public walking tour to begin or to start. And our tour guide is somewhere around there. So we have about 10 minutes to just relax and enjoy the view here at the Boston Common.
I just want to mention that we are going to be following this line right here today. This line is the Freedom Trail. It starts right there at that door. You cannot get any more at the beginning of it than you are right now. The line itself goes 2.5 miles that way, all the way up in Charlestown. We are not going that far today because I don't feel like it. So instead, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go the first mile. We're going to see 11 of the 16 historic sites along the Freedom Trail. We're going to end at Faneuil Hall. We're not coming back here. So let's go over that way and get started.
Our tour guide gave us a lot of information about Boston's history. And now, let's begin our journey through Boston's history. Boston Common is always a beautiful sight to behold. It was built in 1634, making it the oldest city park in the United States. The Massachusetts State House is the state capital and seat of government for the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. It is also famous for its gold dome, which cost $300,000 back when it was regilded in 1997. Next up is Park Street Church. Founded in the 1800s, this church played a significant role in Boston's religious and political history. The church is located on the corner of Tremont Street, next to the Granary Burying Ground. Now, let's check out Granary Burying Ground. This place is considered as the third oldest cemetery in the city of Boston. Here, you will find some notable names such as Samuel Adams, John Hancock, Paul Revere, Peter Faneuil, just to name a few, all of which were part of the Revolutionary War.
I assume that this is for his death day, which is May 10th. These two stones right here actually both belong to the same guy. They are what I like to call the new one and the old one. As you know, that does not mean anything. Those words mean nothing in New England.
Now, let's head to King's Chapel and King's Chapel Burying Ground. King's Chapel is Boston's first Anglican church. Built on 1754, the granite building still stands on its original location. King's Chapel Burying Ground is considered as the oldest graveyard in the city. Located between the Old South Meeting House and King's Chapel is Boston's Old City Hall. The design of the building originated in France and is now one of the few that survived. This is also where the statue of Benjamin Franklin is located. Another Freedom Trail spot is the Old South Meeting House, a historic church which became the meeting area for the Boston Tea Party. It was also considered as the largest building in Boston back in the day.
She's the first black woman in America to publish a book. She was a poet, she was an author. Some people consider her to be the poet laureate of the Revolution because she wrote poetry commemorating the Boston.
Next on the Freedom Trail tour is the Old State House, which is the oldest surviving public building in Boston and now serves as a history museum. In front of the Old State House is a cobblestone circle that marks the Boston Massacre location. Our last stop was at Faneuil Hall, which is now Boston's Government Center. And here are some of the Freedom Trail spots that you didn't see on this tour. First, there's the Paul Revere House. If you want to go inside Paul Revere's house, a fee of $5 is needed. And FYI, photography is not allowed inside the house. Then, set sail on the USS Constitution, aka Old Ironsides, a popular destination for locals and tourists alike. And don't forget to visit Quincy Market.
Our favorite. Oh, right there? Oh, yeah. That's the other one, but our favorite is the Boston Chowder. Boston Chowder. You have to try it. We're here inside the hall. This is inside Quincy Market. So we're gonna go and eat some lobster rolls.
And never leave Boston without having a famous lobster roll. With clam chowder soup, of course. Or should I say, clam chowder.
Hey guys, so we're here at Quincy Market and we just got a lobster roll. Finally! This is my favorite here in Boston. Of course, clam chowder is a must. Or should I say clam chowder. So time to eat. Yay! We also got a sample of lobster bisque, so we're gonna try it. Cheers! That's also good. Lobster roll, lobster roll. oldest restaurant in America, the Union Oyster House. They make really good clam chowder. So if you're ever in the area, you have got to try the clam chowder here at Union Oyster House. The oldest tavern in America. We haven't been there, but someday, one of these days we will. Definitely. When we move here.
Hey guys, so this is a must whenever I'm in Boston or Quincy. Milk tea. It's from Chat Time. They have other milk teas here, but I don't know, I just love Chat Time. I guess when we move here, we're gonna try different milk teas around the area, but for now, Chat Time will do.
There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Angel's Video Diary. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new here or if you haven't subscribed to this channel, okay? And also, you can like and share this video and comment below, all right? And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and that's at Angel's Video Diary. And that's it for now, and until next time, see ya!